Aliro Moses decides to hold on to the ball. This is one of those teams where ball hogging might be encouraged. As Dennis Oti makes an error. Lightning strikes again, just like he did against Viper Sports Club. The catastrophe of the former player returns to gift his former paymasters, and Dennis Oti is now dicing with a position on the bench. Aliro, the hesitant run, and he puts it in. Sankoto gets the right way, but just ample power from Moses Aliro to get the tax collectors back on level terms and collect his second goal in 9 appearances. That is the Kabaka Chabago Stadium. It's for the moment a chance here for URA to strike it in, and finally Laban Tirita has been knocking at the door and gets it open. King David is up and roaring. Obua Ball's reign has begun.